If you want to make your Instagram stories pop with a custom background color, then this video is for you. Before we start with this video, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more similar tutorials like this one. The very first step is to open the Instagram app, swipe in order to create a story, and then upload a photo which you want to share to your story. The photo is now added, and our job is to select the Draw tool that's located at the right side of your screen. Your job is to select the color which you want to use for the background, and I'll select this blue color as an example. Now long press anywhere on your photo for a couple of seconds until the whole screen turns blue. I know that we don't see the photo which we had added, but we'll add it once again by selecting the little sticker icon. After that, you're going to tap on Photos, which will open the photo gallery. Just find the photo from the beginning and add it to your story once again. You can then use the Draw tool and change the background color if you change your mind and share the story with your followers. If you found this guide useful, then please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel for more similar tutorials like this one.